The smartest machine ever built is made of the dumbest thing on earth. Sand. Welcome to Atomly, where we explain how. This is Kevin. Kevin is a grain of sand, and by the end of this video, Kevin runs AI. Now Kevin is basically raw flour, useless right now, but bake him right, and you get a brain. Here's Kevin's superpower. He's mostly silicon, and silicon can choose to let electricity through or not. He's a switch. But there's a problem. Kevin is filthy. Beach Kevin is way too dirty for a chip. We need him 99.9999999% pure, because one wrong atom inside Kevin and the whole chip acts like a toaster with a PhD. So, here's how we fix Kevin. First, we melt Kevin at 1400 degrees and chemically boil out everything that isn't silicon. Spa day, but evil. Then clean Kevin joins millions of friends and grows into one giant, perfect crystal. A silicon sausage. We slice the sausage into thin discs called wafers. Kevin is now a slice of the world's priciest deli meat. Okay, now the insane part. We carve circuits onto Kevin using light. Actual light. We shine light through a stencil to print billions of tiny switches onto Kevin. It's a tattoo gun for atoms. And these switches are so small, thousands of them fit across a single human hair. Kevin is now microscopic royalty. Stack billions of Kevin switches together and boom, he can run AI. So no, sand isn't magic. We just spent billions of dollars turning Kevin into the cleanest, most organized object humans have ever built. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to watch more, click the suggestions below.